Okay guys, we're back with another food review, and this time we're trying the pretzel. It's National Pretzel Day, that's why they did this. So it's a pretzel bun and a sausage.
Just in it.
Yeah.
That's really all it is.
And I put cheese on it, I got some pickles, and I got some broccoli. Alright.
I put whatever it was that was there.
Well, let me get the tater tot first.
Tater tots are good.
They taste like cinnamon?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Tater tots are actually good.
Not bad. This is a really thick sausage. So the only thing I'm scared of is it not being warm. Okay, wait, hold on. Wait, you can't see. I'm covering you.
That's cool.
Okay. 1, 2. Not bad.
That's not bad.
I just wish it was warmer.
Real. I wish a lot of things on this were warmer.
Okay, wait.
The tots are good.
I'm gonna try this side. Looks so cute. It's not bad at all. What do you rate it?
I guess 6. It really not bad.
Let me try the broccoli. If it was warm, it would go to like a 7.
Yeah.
Okay, broccoli. Tastes like broccoli.
Oh God. Oh.
Not bad. If you knew they were serving this again, would you go back and get it?
No.
Right answer. Yeah, I wouldn't go back and get this. I would go get a sandwich from the fridge. Alright.
But you know, how do they come up with this stuff? Like, oh yeah, let's just put a sausage in a pretzel bun.
Because it's National Pretzel Day.
Is that a normal thing?
It's...
No wonder I've never heard of it.
This is something that they would sell like at the fair.
I've never seen this at anywhere.
Anyway. I will eat it.
So.
Because this is what I use my meal slip on. Yeah, it's not bad.
Oh.
Go get you a pretzel sandwich. Pretzel hot dog. Yeah, I think it's a good 6 is good. Thanks for watching.
It's not terrible.
Let me know if you want us to review anything else, like any other random rat food that they be serving. Thank you.
Please rate my mullet on a scale from 1 to 10.
Yeah, in the comments down below.
I already know it's a 10, but you know.
Okay, thank you guys. Bye.